Matũra-inĩ ma Hilton na soko Mũingĩ mwena wa London gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge kĩa Nakuru ya ithũĩro gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nakuru nĩkuo gatũro kanene na itumĩro rĩa batoni ya ekinaĩ.
These young people, they just came to where we were in our car, and then they said tupe pesa, tupe pesa matukufinye. That's when in a lightning speed, they just took all what we had. They took phones, they were armed with knives, and they were a group of 3. You can never move freely. Like me now, they took my phone. I don't have anything to use currently. I reported the matter to the police, and I was given an OB number. The police have arrested one person, and they are looking for others. So the mother is already reported in the OB. Magare Gekenyi nĩ mũrigitani mũnene gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nakuru akiuga thengia na gũtharĩkĩrwo akoretwo arĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere gũtangĩkĩra arwaru marabatara ũtungata wa thieta kũrĩa kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kĩmwe nĩ atangĩkĩire andũ atatũ magurarĩtio nĩ ekinaĩ na tharĩkĩra cia tũhiũ. As a surgeon, I've operated around 3-4 patients who have been knifed. Walidungwa kisu, matumbo ikatoka nje. I was supposed to intervene. I took them to theater and I stabilized them. In fact, currently as we talk, we have like from that area I've seen around 3-4 cases of patients whom have been brought to the hospital who have been injured through the use of a knife. Normally these boys, they just move in a group. Mũciĩ-inĩ kwa Rose Muthoni njemanĩtie nake na mbica ya rũgano rwa mathiko ma mũtigaire Martin Mũthomithogo, mwanake ũrĩa watharĩkĩirwo tarĩki 21 mweri mũhĩtũku wa Januari na akĩũragwo nĩ batoni ĩno ya ekinaĩ.
Aliuliwa akitoka huko kazini, ilikuwa usiku, na sasa tukaripoti police station na hatujapata hata usaidizi yoyote serikali. Ulinzi hapa Nakuru imekuwa chini sana, watusaidie kabisa, kwa maana hata biashara zetu tunafunga mapema juu ya kuogopa. Biashara alikuwa anafanya huko, alikuwa makanika wa magari, akitoka kazini ndivyo aliuliwa. Ũhagũku ũyũ wa ũgitĩri ũkoretwo ũkĩhanĩka maitho-inĩ ma maabitha a borithi mitaani kuma harĩa maabitha aya mahegekaga mũgĩko wa barabara hakuhĩ na kĩara kĩa gũte gĩko gĩa Gĩoto dam site. Rĩu mũnene wa mbũtũ ya borithi Nakuru agĩtumũra kanua rĩa mbere igũrũ rĩa wĩkinaĩ ũyũ.
We are going to crack on them from now going forward. We are going to dominate this area and ensure that these people do not come back.
Usalama kama hakuna mahali, hakuna maendeleo yanaweza endelea. Naomba tu wazidi kuendelea na hii kazi, watusaidie, watu support. Kwa sababu biashara mingi zinaharibika. Hata kwa hoteli hapa, ukienda kwa hoteli unapata chakula zinaharibika kwa sababu watu wanaogopa, wameweka uoga kwa watu. Funga
biashara mapema juu ya kuogopa. Ulinzi ya area hii imekuwa chini sana. Watu wanasumbua wale wengine kwa mabiashara. Kama we umeweka kabiashara yako, wanaona we uko na kitu, una handle kila saa. Sasa hata tunafunga mapema juu ya kuogopa.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.